Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, this video is a very basic video for those people who wanted to know what is included in the toolkit of Royal Enfield. Once you are done watching the video, visit my channel and check out some other videos that I have done on Royal Enfield tips and tricks. Also subscribe to my channel for my upcoming video. I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, first thing what we are going to do is we are going to remove the kit that has been given by the company. So this is the first time I'm going to open it. I have not yet opened it. So let's see what is included in this. This is just the standard kit that is provided by Ari. Guys, all these tips are included. One 17-inch. This, a pair to remove the spark plug. Another 12 and 10. Pana. We have a screwdriver, another 12-10, so I got two, same, then another one 14-15, so again remove the spark plug, bigger one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 different equipments been given along with this.